English with SMG.
Speak English with class.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with SMG, the channel where you learn real English for real life.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Lisa.
Today's lesson, stop saying these words.
Don't worry, we're not here to judge you.
We're here to help you sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent.
Ready? Let's upgrade your English.
Word 1, very. Many learners say very big, very small, very good, very bad.
It's correct, but boring.
Native speakers often use stronger words. Don't say very big. Say huge. Don't say very small. Say tiny. Don't say very tired. Say exhausted. Don't say very good. Say excellent.
Example time.
I am very tired.
I am exhausted.
The pizza is very good.
The pizza is excellent. Sam, are you exhausted?
No, but I am very hungry.
Stop saying very hungry. Say starving.
See, even teachers need help.
Word 2, so-so. Many learners say, I'm so-so.
Yes, but native speakers rarely say this. Don't say, I'm so-so. Say, I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm doing fine. Could be better.
Example,
How are you?
I'm okay.
Or, could be better. Great for Monday mornings.
Are you okay today, Sam?
I'm doing fine. Coffee helped.
Word 3, repeat again.
This is a classic mistake.
Yes, repeat already means again.
Don't say, please repeat again. Say, please repeat. Or, could you say that again?
Example,
Teacher, repeat again, please.
teacher, could you say that again?
Short, clear, natural. Word 4, open the light.
This one makes me smile.
Yes, many learners say this. Don't say, open the light. Say, turn on the light. Switch on the light.
Example,
Please open the light.
please turn on the light. Unless the light has a door, then maybe you can open it.
I want to see that light. Word 5, close the TV. Don't say, close the TV. Say, turn off the TV.
We turn devices on and off,
We close doors and windows.
not televisions, unless you're folding it like a laptop. Word 6, I did a mistake.
Common error alert. Don't say, I did a mistake. Say, I made a mistake.
Example,
I did a mistake in the test.
I made a mistake in the test. Sam, do you make mistakes?
Only before coffee.
Word 7, discuss about.
Don't say, let's discuss about the problem. Say, let's discuss the problem.
Discuss does not need about.
English is funny. Extra words are not always better.
Word 8, return back.
Don't say, return back. Say, return.
Example,
I will return back tomorrow.
I will return tomorrow. Unless you return forward, which is impossible. Word 9, more better.
This one hurts my teacher heart. Don't say, more better. Say, better.
Example,
This phone is more better.
this phone is better.
Better is already comparative. Word 10, he do, she do.
Grammar alert.
Don't say, he do homework. She do exercise. Say, he does homework. She does exercise.
Third person singular needs an S.
Tiny letter, big importance.
Practice conversation.
Let's practice. I'll speak incorrectly. Lisa will fix me. I am very tired.
I am exhausted.
Please repeat again.
Please repeat.
I did a mistake.
I made a mistake.
Let's discuss about it.
Let's discuss it.
Turn off the light. Open the light.
Turn on the light.
This phone is more better.
This phone is better.
He do his work.
He does his work. See? Small changes, big improvement.
You sound more natural instantly.
Quick tips for you.
Tip 1. Use fewer words. Wrong. Repeat again. Right. Repeat.
Tip 2. Learn phrases, not single words.
Say, turn on the TV, not open TV.
Tip 3. Listen to native speakers.
Watch movies, listen to podcasts.
Tip 4. Practice out loud.
Speak, don't just read.
Tip 5. Replace very with strong adjectives.
Very cold, freezing. Very hot, boiling.
English becomes powerful when you choose strong words. Sam, yesterday I said, open the TV at home.
What happened?
My brother brought a screwdriver.
That escalated quickly. Now it's your turn.
Write a sentence in the comments using one correction from today.
For example, I made a mistake. I'm exhausted. Turn on the light.
We read your comments.
And we love seeing your progress.
Let's review today's upgrades. Stop saying, say this instead. Very tired, exhausted. So, I'm okay. Repeat again, repeat.
Thanks for learning with us today.
If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
share with your friends,
keep practicing,
keep improving.
and remember,
Small changes create big results.
open the light, turn on the light.
Close the TV, turn off the TV.
Did a mistake, made a mistake.
Discuss about, just discuss.
Return back, return.
More better, just better.
He do, he does.
These small changes make a big difference.
You sound clearer, smarter, more natural.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.